Hi everyone, today on Simply Maha, we're going to be making the shortcut garlic sauce. It's going to be easy, simple, super flavorful, and not to mention, it's only going to take about 2 tablespoons of oil rather than 4 cups. And look at how beautiful and pale that color is. So let's get started. Add water to a skillet along with some cornstarch, and now we're just going to keep mixing that until we form a thick paste. Now what we're doing is we're actually cooking out that raw flavor from the cornstarch because we want to create a paste that's going to bring all our sauce together, make it gelatinous if you will, but we also don't want to taste raw cornstarch, and that's why we cook it to form the paste and to get that raw flavor taken out. So after it becomes into a paste like that, you want to set it to the side and let it cool completely. Just grabbing a head of garlic, putting that in my mortar pestle along with some salt. This is just gonna help it become into a paste, and we're gonna start crushing that until we form a smooth paste. Now you can chop this by hand or put it in a food processor, but I really feel when I do it like this, I get all the oils extracted from the garlic, and it's just gonna be a lot spicier and a lot more flavorful. But if you don't have one, you can totally use a food processor. You want it nice and pasty like that. You want to transfer that to a food processor along with your cooled paste. Then you want to add a squeeze of lemon. I just do that over my hand to catch all the pits. And then we're going to put in some olive oil. Now in my other recipe, it needed 4 cups, which is very delicious. It'll be like a mayo, but here we're using 2 tablespoons. We're going to put some cold water, and then we're going to process this. At first, it's going to be very liquidy, but because we have that cornstarch paste that we made, it'll thicken up. It'll end up being like that. After it ends up being like this, I'm just going to process it for another 3 to 4 minutes. And I'm going to be pouring it over a cup of yogurt. Now, if you don't want it with the yogurt, you can have it on its own, but it's just going to be a lot stronger than it would be with the yogurt. I think it's also because I used 1 head. You can use 5 to 6 cloves and it'll be fine. I just like mixing it with the yogurt because you get a tanginess that you don't get with the lemon. It's going to be super smooth, give it texture, give it volume, and this beautiful color. That's it, and it pairs very, very well as a condiment with these garlic fries that I will be showing you guys how to make later this week. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned. I'll see you next time on Simply Maha. Bye bye.